If basic power checks are complete, the next step is testing electrical connections with a multimeter. This will help identify if power is reaching the pump's switch mechanism. Float switch issues are common causes of pump failure. The pit must be at least 12 inches in diameter to allow the tether to swing freely without obstruction. Proper float switch adjustment is critical. The switch should activate the pump at approximately 4 to 4.5 inches of water depth and deactivate before the water level drops to 3 inches. Motor problems often involve blocked impellers or faulty capacitors. Start by removing the pump and inspecting the impeller for debris or obstructions. A faulty capacitor can prevent the motor from starting. This component stores electrical energy to help start the motor and may require professional testing with specialized equipment. If your pump runs but doesn't move water, it may be airlocked. This occurs when air becomes trapped in the system. The solution is drilling a small vent hole in the discharge pipe. Remember these key troubleshooting steps. Test electrical connections with a multimeter. Ensure proper float switch adjustment and pit size. Clean impellers and test capacitors for motor issues. And drill vent holes to prevent airlock problems.